Je me nomme Brice Alain Bessé, je suis capitaine des Ivoiriens. Bon, c'était un bon match aujourd'hui. On est venu dans l'intensité, c'était bon, l'esprit était bon. On a bien participé, tout s'est bien passé, on dit merci à Dieu plutôt. C'est important de réunir tous les Noirs entre nous ici, ça crée une union entre nous les Noirs parce qu'on ne se voit pas comme ça. Chacun travaille, chacun dans son coin, donc c'est important de venir se trouver dans un coin comme ça et partager des bons moments ensemble.
Je m'appelle Franck Tchenche et puis je vais un peu parler de mon équipe aujourd'hui. En fait, on a joué un match tellement difficile et tout. Et puis voilà, on aurait dû gagner, mais on a perdu en fait. Et le football, c'est le détail en fait. Dès que tu as l'occasion, tu n'arrives pas à concrétiser. Après, c'est comme ça. Après, tu encaisses un but et puis tu perds et c'est fini. Donc, la seule chose que je veux dire à mes joueurs, c'est de savoir, dans la vie, quand tu as l'opportunité de tuer une équipe, tu tues direct. Sans ça, c'est fini. Hein? Et ce n'est pas la fin du monde. Après une défaite, on va continuer de travailler pour pouvoir devenir mieux à l'avenir en fait.
Oui, je suis Drogba, président de l'équipe ivoirienne. Voilà, je suis là avec mon homologue du Cameroun. C'est vrai que le football, c'est un amusement. On a joué. Il a été chanceux, vainqueur. Voilà, il a perdu, mais ça ne va pas entacher notre relation. Ouais. On souhaite que le tournoi continue et que ce soit un tournoi fair play pour l'unification de tous les Africains ici à Chypre. Ouais. Vraiment, je souhaite bon vent et je me souhaite à moi-même, à mon équipe, bonne chance pour la finale. Voilà, que le meilleur gagne. Et félicitations au comité d'organisation. Ouais. Merci.
C'est important.
I'm Carl Perkins-Onik, the coordinator of Sport Vision Cyprus. The tournament started last week at the eliminatory stage. After the elimination, we are playing semi-finals today, and the two matches ended well. I want to appreciate the level of maturity that the teams have been now. We want the African society to grow mentally and physically in Cyprus. We are also trying to break down those who have come here with problems. We talk to them, we counsel them to know that all of us have problems, but the way we manage our problems matters. We are not only on football, we also take some humanitarian activities. If, like, you lack somewhere to stay when you just come to Cyprus, we help to give you accommodation for a while, then you sort out yourself. We are preparing on finals. The finals will be coming on next week, and this team will be played. The teams that are going to play the finals are the Passion Boys versus the Ivorian team. So we are calling on the population to come and watch a better finals come Sunday.
It was a good game. Thanks to the Almighty God, we came out victorious with a score of one goal to 0. So we are very happy to be in the finals of this edition of this competition. We want to thank the organizer and everyone that participated in the tournament. To say a big thank you. We are playing against Ivory Coast. I think Ivory Coast is a very tough team. We have played 3 times with them. We won them 1 time. They won us 1 time, and we had 1 draw. So I believe it's going to be a tough game. It's going to be a really tough game, but I hope by the grace of God we come out victorious.
My name is Austin Raymond Ricardo. In this tournament, in this competition, I play for Victory FC. I'm a Nigerian. I play as a centre back and a defensive midfielder. For me, the game was okay, but we lost a couple of chances that would have ended us the game. But that's football. You win today, you lose. It's part of the game. That's why it's called fair play. So generally, it was a nice game, and I congratulate my opponent that won. Definitely, it's good. It's good. It keeps people's minds busy. It helps those of us that want to continue with the career of football to keep training and to still see hope in it. And generally, it helps us to fraternize with one another, to know, in spite of the different cultural backgrounds, we can discuss with ourselves, we can come together, we can play, and there's a place where we meet. It's a good thing.